So, before ta mag-start, ma'am, ako sa i-discuss sa imo kung unsa akong pagbuhaton sa imo ha. Ako iyasa sa imong peripheral nervous system and lymphatic system. So, I able to do that, ma'am. I will touch you or palpate your body. So, is that okay with you, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. So, before ta mag-start, ma'am, nasa ko yung pangutana about sa mong past history. Nagka-heart disorder na ba ka, ma'am?
Wala.
Varicositis,
Wala.
arterial disease,
Wala.
hypertension.
Wala.
Okay. Sa imong lifestyle habits ni mo, ma'am, napay exercise patterns,
Wala.
activity patterns,
Wala.
tolerance,
Wala.
smoking.
Wala.
Ganyan ka, ma'am?
Hindi.
Okay, thank you. So, before ta mag-start is ato sa i-perform ang hygiene o mag-provide ta og privacy sa client and magtao ta sa atong gloves. So the first procedure is we will palpate the peripheral pulses of both sides of the client's both body. May I touch your hands, ma'am? Other side, ma'am. You will stay. Okay, thank you. So next procedure is we will be inspecting the peripheral veins of the arms and legs. Mhm. So the next procedure is we will be assessing the peripheral leg veins for the signs of phlebitis. So may I touch your legs, ma'am? Okay, thank you. So the next procedure is we will be inspecting the skin of the hands and feet for color, temperature, edema, and skin changes. next procedure is we'll be inspecting the lymph nodes and palpate. So as I observe, ma'am, during the assessment that we do is that I observe that